I just had a very scary thought of that plastic going right up the yin-yang. We have the battle of battles of the battle that you've been waiting for. This is Glow Boarder.
Let's get it.
Versus sponsored skateboarder from the San Francisco Bay Area. Most expensive versus cheapest nickel board. If you're wondering, what's a nickel board? Well, it's bigger than a penny board. That's about all the explanation there is, right?
This right here is actually 32 inches.
Penny is 1 cent, nickel is 5 cents. So that is what you get, 32 inches.
All right.
But what does the cheapest one look like, Gabriel Horacio Iglesias Cruz?
You will see. Do you want to take a guess as to how much that costs?
$89. Higher? $189. Lower? $130.
Exactly on point.
Sheesh!
Wow, $129.99.
It's like you bought some before, AK.
And this is retrospect?
Yep.
Not bad.
You ever wonder yourself how a company comes out and they make something like this, penny, and they have exact way the grip tape looks, exact way all of it looks, and then some other company just done go copy it. It's a crying shame, ain't it? So this one is covered in plastic.
Comparisons here.
My immediate comparison is I doubt this one was covered in plastic.
I don't think it was.
I like this one though.
That one's green,
We
and
had
that
a
looks cool.
debate, too,
This one's
in the-
blue. It
in
looks
the
not
last
so cool.
video about the Aaron, what do you think this color scheme is called?
Metal Gear Solid?
You could get it.
Really?
Mm-hmm.
Olive.
Yeah, exactly.
Dang,
Well
boy,
done. Well,
He's on
see,
fire.
You didn't get the olive. You didn't like it. You didn't
Yeah.
think it looked like an olive.
Yeah, you are right, but I guess olives are that color.
So what's the color scheme of this then?
Braille blue.
Blue ball.
Straight into it. Who's ever riding this one then? I feel sorry for you. So we're gonna Rochambeau, and then the winner gets to choose the board.
That's right.
But what's the advantages?
One is a way higher quality version, and one is the much less quality version.
I mean, maybe. You might think that, but you don't actually know.
I like how they got the bushings to match the wheels on that one.
Same with this though.
Nose.
Okay, so this might be the single most important Rochambeau of my entire life.
Literally, at least of the day.
Hold on.
This could be a long day too.
You know what? I'm gonna make it dramatic. Let's go 2 out of 3.
Nah, just
Yep.
one.
No, we're going 2 out of 3.
Bro. I got more of a chance.
Here we go. Make it
I
fair.
already played Aaron in
Make
a
it
second.
clean.
I'm trying to think what he picked last week.
Could be rock, could be paper, could be scissors. Let's go. All right, that's 1 to Aaron.
I ain't going with that
All right,
dance
come on
again.
now. Come on now.
Oh my god!
All right, Aaron. Stanky leg. What's it gonna be?
I'll pick the olive.
Glow, you can grip this if you see fit. Do you want to grip it to make it even?
Come on, it's already pissing
You
me
can't
off.
even pick it up. This is gonna be great.
I don't think we need to grip it.
No grip?
What? Of course you do.
I think you should.
He's just throwing in the towel instantly.
Yeah, I definitely think you should.
I don't even want to grip it.
Wow, this thing is solid. This is a cruiser.
No, this thing's really good. Worth every bit of $130.
Really?
Oh yeah.
First try, kick flips.
Yep.
I blame the Braille House ghost. Got me. Okay, second try, kick flips.
If I had a penny for every time you landed something first try, I'd have no pennies right now.
True. It's been a long day, and we're just getting started.
Aaron, I just want you to know I'm really excited for this game.
Why?
I don't know. I just feel like it has the makings for one that will go down in Braille history.
Why do I feel like this might just break? That's what I was wondering too. So I won the Rochambeau. I chose the good board, so maybe we let Glow go first?
No, you won. You go first.
So I go first?
At least gotta have a chance.
All right, let's leave it up to fate. Rochambeau again.
Oh my!
No, you got it.
Oh! What'd I say? Go down in history.
No, you're good. Go.
Oh man, I'm excited for this one.
Should I kick flip it right away?
It's up to you, man.
Start them off easy. Wow. That was steezy and delicious.
Wow, and delicious.
Come on, baby. Let's start off right.
Oh, hey, not bad though.
Huh?
Ah,
Huh?
ah.
Color coordinated?
Olive. Ah.
Let's go, Olive.
Olive, your outfit.
And the socks? No way!
Oh! No way.
You can't plan a better fit.
You can't.
Okay, let me give Glow a little opportunity here. You ready? If he missed that,
That's definitely a letter.
I almost missed that, to be honest.
I missed this. It's definitely gonna be a bad day.
Wow!
Clean.
That was better than mine.
A mean green skating machine.
If I was feeling really nice, I'd try a heel flip right now. All right, let's heel flip this. I ain't never heel flipped no nickel board, penny board, nothing in my whole of existence. Oh!
I had a feeling that could happen.
I just had a very scary thought of that plastic going right up the yin-yang. I love how confident he was rolling into that. Never give up, they said. You can do it, they said.
Who said? Who said that?
I don't know. A wise man. You know, this is a good representation. Most expensive. You get what your money buys.
Yeah.
Your money gets what your money does. When you pay money, you get what you paid for, sometimes.
The only place that rule doesn't apply is expensive steakhouses.
Really?
Most of the time. They just putting a high price on a fancy name. Bro! You know, I feel like there's
He's done trying to get me on the
a
train.
ratio of rigidity to flexibility on yours, Aaron.
Yeah.
That allows you to pop really well.
Yeah.
Glows, I feel like, is like 80-20 flexi.
Like it's too flexible.
Yeah.
Wow. Okay, I promise you, this is the last heel flip. Right!
You are, Aaron, the last heel flipper.
Ding dang it. Should I just tray flip on him? You think I won't? Ow! Why is this?
This for that, check this out. Bro, if I could break this, I swear I'd broke it already.
That fall hurt so bad because it's so cold. It felt like my bones shattered inside of my
They
skin.
might have. Solid.
Sheesh!
Solid.
Wow! The defense is on fire. That's it, Gabe. Now I'm pissed.
Yep, this is where it gets tricky.
You flip it around?
That's the only choice I got here, fellas.
Really?
This is what you call a below the belt one.
Oh, that was it, too, dude.
I got so close.
Okay, let's hit him with it, Gabe. Horacio Iglesias. Run it back. I also meant to pop and I didn't pop, so let me pop.
Come on now. Pop fakey off the nose?
He just destroyed that, yeah.
I'm gonna give it to him.
I'm very impressed.
Yeah, don't let him get warmed up, man.
Or what? What's he gonna do? Nollie
He
heel?
might miss
Doubt it.
every trick after that.
I did say that was the last heel flip I was gonna try, right? Okay, I promise you, this is the last heel flip.
The last heel flip.
Come on.
You ever just want something so bad and you can't have it and you just...
Yeah, the Elden Ring DLC.
Yeah, the Elden Ring DLC!
Is that your trick?
I tried. Try to do a fakey flip.
What's up with Final Fantasy? You get it yet?
Leave it in the comments below if you guys are still smashing on the Elden Ring.
Let's just film a video. You buy a PS5 and play Final Fantasy for an hour.
You guys want to watch me play Final Fantasy?
I would.
You want to watch a grown man cry?
I like watching you play games. It's kind of funny because
childhood dreams
it's
come
like
true.
you're right in the middle generation where you could be like pretty good at games, but then you also do like some very like dad things where you're like looking kind of newbie.
Because I am newbie.
Yeah.
Right here for Cloud. Let's go, Cloud. If I get this right here, I will buy Final Fantasy VII.
Make us proud.
You think I was not playing games there?
Stone now.
I don't know about this one.
I mean, honestly, wasn't bad.
I just feel like I want to land stuff, but it's like this board's holding me back.
Yeah.
It's holding me back from being great today. I need to hop on the normal piece of wood.
All right, Aaron. 4 letters left.
T-E-R-S. Why we always got to make everything so hard? I'm gonna get him right where it hurts. Why is it so cold?
You have cruiser wheels on. What did you think was gonna happen?
I don't know. Anything but that. Wow, this guy.
This is a terrible game.
You know what I feel like would work really good on
We need a
that board?
counter of anything that Glow lands, but on defense, he's landing.
I want a compilation at the end of this video of all the post-miss things that Glow says.
Terrible
You
game.
just need to get on some regular wood, man. What the hell? Oh, it wasn't pretty, but I'll give it to you.
That was pretty. You kidding me?
Oh!
No way he switched
Defense.
back 180 that.
Defense!
Why he can land every trick on
That
defense?
was unbelievable.
But you hit him on offense, he gets nothing. Why? Leave it in the comments below if there's ever a time where you get 2 redos. I literally saw my life flash before my eyes.
Come on, let's take some deep breaths. Let's focus up here, fellas.
Wow.
No way! Fakey flip, right? Wow.
Oh, hey, a letter might be coming for you, Aaron.
You were right about letting him get warmed up. He's going full frontal force now.
Yeah! As long as I didn't get blanked out, that's all that matters here. Come on, baby, we're focusing now. No!
Okay, that's it. What's left? Okay, I got you.
You get a redo.
What? I gotta redo everything.
That's fine.
That is what you call robbery. I've been practicing that trick too. I really like front shoves the way they're feeling.
You know I gotta get one for my main man Cruz.
Let's go.
You know, I've been answering comments, Gabe. You know what the people want in 2024?
What?
The drop in.
Yeah, it's true. I can't skate with my back.
Give the people what they want.
My back is messed up.
He keeps saying he's playing too much golf, guys.
I really think you can do this.
Me too.
Just don't flick too fast. You gotta really just wait for it to come around.
You got experience on this thing, huh?
Trust me.
Step one is believe.
That's all I do here is believe. Oh!
He was this close, and then he
all.
just stopped believing. S-K-A-T-E-R. So he's got one letter left.
One letter left, yeah. You can go for the kill right now.
Cloud limit break. You ready?
Yep. Wow.
Sometimes you gotta live to fight another day, and that's one of these days. It was a pleasure. When you have the yacht and I have the little plastic board with the messed up motor that you drive like this, that's how I'm feeling right now. I just feel like I want to land stuff, but it's like this board's holding me back. It's holding me back from being great today. I need to hop on the normal piece of wood. This is a terrible game. I've been practicing that trick too. I really like front shoves the way they're feeling. Sometimes you gotta live to fight another day, and that's one of these days.
Well, this is a pleasure cruise. Shout out Penny Skateboards for making some high quality skateboards.
Hey, we confirmed some prices today, Aaron.
Yeah, we did.
We did.
We did.
$130, much more worth it than the $45 one.
Hope you guys enjoyed the video. We are making these to inspire you, yes, you, to learn how to ride a skateboard. We got free tutorials. We got everything you need. Go to brailleskateboarding.com. We'll see you out there.